On May 1st, the weather models were suggesting a potential severe weather day for the eastern Texas Panhandle and western Oklahoma. This storm setup contained a dry line, setting up just to the east of Amarillo, with dry, warm air to the west and rich, warm, moist air to the east. After looking at the data, I picked my target and headed southeast towards the small town of Clarendon, Texas. While arriving in Clarendon, a mesoscale discussion was issued. A tornado watch would be issued shortly. And then a tornado watch was issued. I noticed a small storm started showing signs of rotation to the north of Clarendon. I positioned myself to the north of Clarendon to get a better view of this storm. After positioning myself just to the north, I noticed a rapidly rotating wall cloud, and off to my right was a horizontal vortice. After being distracted by the horizontal vortice, I looked to my left and noticed a tornado was touching down from the wall cloud I was just viewing. After trying to beat the hail, I moved back down south to still view this tornado.
Monster tornado! Monster tornado!
Dropping! After viewing the full life of this tornado, I met up with John Doherty, where we tried to get on various different storms that were capable of producing tornadoes and did produce tornadoes. But after a flat tire and getting trapped in some massive RFD, I decided to call the chase off for the day and did not want to push my luck any further. Between a flat tire and being caught in some massive RFD, I was unable to capture any more video of my trip, but I was able to capture a couple of pictures of the storms I did go through. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, X, and TikTok, where I post content there regularly, and you can follow me on all my crazy chases and adventures. I hope to see you on the next one. Stay weather aware, and remember, welcome to the chase.